This how to 1 minute will show you how to set up a Discord channel or server. First of all, open your Discord and scroll down to the left hand side until you find this plus icon. So click on this plus icon and click on create my own and select an option from here. Right now I'll select for me and my friends and give you your server or channel name. Create, and as you can see, my new channel has been successfully created. Once your channel created, click on this server name and now you can invite people from here. You can click on server settings to customize your server from here. And if you want to create a text or voice channel, then click on this plus icon and from here you can create your text channel. And to create a voice channel, click on this plus icon next to voice channels. So that's how you can set up a channel on Discord. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.